Now in this question, they have given you A and the B, both are given, but we have to calculate H. So again, we'll write down the area. Area is equals to 1 by 2 A plus B into H. Area is 215. We'll write down 1 by 2. A is 29 plus B is 14 into H. First of all, we'll solve the numbers which are given within the bracket. So it would be 43 into H. After this, it is a simple linear equation. First, we have to get rid of 2. So to get rid of 2, I'll multiply 2 to both sides. 1 by 2 into 2. 43 I'll write on within the bracket into H. 2 and 2 will cancel. I'll multiply 215 with 2. I'll get 430 is equals to 43 into H. Now I have to get rid of 43. I'll divide both sides with 43. 43 into H divided by 43. 43 and 43 will cancel. And if I divide this part, 430 with 43, I'll get 10. So the value of H here is 10.